Hello everybody. I'm about to do this unboxing of Your Nail Lab by Makartt. So I'm about to open this box up and see what's inside. Hopefully it's some goodies in here. But anyway, I want to share with you guys what's in here. Alright, for the first one is a Makartt Pro. It's an all-in-one dip. It's in a swipe right. It look like it's a blue/purple. It's very pretty. The next one I have is another Makartt Pro all-in-one. This is in a purple glitter. It's called High Society. Also very, very pretty. I love it. Another one is a raw glitter. It's heavily pigmented. I can't wait to use it. Look how pretty that is. Makartt actually has some really good stuff. I've been using a lot of their stuff lately. The next one I have is a gel polish. It's called Shallow Seas. Shallow Seas, y'all. It's a blue with glitter. Very, very pretty. I might use this one day and combine it with the other blue that I have. The one that don't have glitter in it. Alright, what else do I have? The next one I have is some snowflakes, in which I'm so happy they gave me these, because these types of snowflakes I do not have. I have other colors, but I don't have this. So very, very pretty. I don't know when I'm going to use it, but it's going to be one day soon. The next one I have is it's a nail artist collection. These are rhinestones. They're multicolor. They're very pretty. Multicolor rhinestones. Alright. The next one I have is a I'm about to open this up so y'all can see it, but it's a white nail liner. I'm so happy I have this, because actually, honestly, I am out of white nail liner, so this came just in time. And for the last thing I have is a Ballerina SSL full cover tips. I'm so glad I have these, because honestly I don't have these at all. So these are perfect for when I don't want to sculpt my nails. I could just put these on. I have other ones, but I don't have as many clear ones. So I'm glad these came. They're called Pump Ups, and they're in a Ballerina. And the very, very last thing I have in this box is this card, Nailed by Brandy. I think I saw one of her videos, but I didn't get the chance to watch the whole thing. So I will be going back to watch that whole video. But congratulations on a collab, Nailed by Brandy. I will be watching more of your videos as soon as I can. I'm just now getting hip to you. I don't even know who you are, honestly. So I will definitely be catching up with your channel. Congratulations, girl.
Mm-hmm.